Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an American farmer's market. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the farmers who sell there. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What do farmers call vegetables that are not pretty but taste the same? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Ken. You are on time.
Good morning, Ellie. Wow, look at all these tents.
This is my favorite place on Saturday morning. I come here every week.
It is bigger than I thought. How many farmers are here?
About 30 today. In summer, more.
I only shop at the supermarket. This is my first farmer's market.
Then I will tell you how this market works. Rule 1. Did you bring cash?
Cash? I have my card.
Some sellers take cards now, but many of them still like cash. It is faster.
I have money. Look, a $20 bill.
Do you have anything smaller?
Smaller? Why?
If everyone pays with a 20, the line stops. The seller has to count a lot of change.
I never thought about that.
That is also why the prices are easy numbers. $3, $5, no cents.
Oh, that is smart. The change is simple.
The sellers come here at 6 in the morning with a box of $1 bills. They get ready for it.
A box of $1 bills. Okay, I will find some small money.
Rule 2. Look at the signs. They are not printed. People write them by hand.
You are right. This one says strawberries, $5 in black pen.
The price can change during the day. A printed sign cannot do that.
What is Rule 3?
Here, I have 2.
You carry 2 bags every Saturday?
I do. Most sellers here do not give you a bag, and a paper bag breaks when it gets wet.
The strawberries, right.
Exactly. Put the heavy things on the bottom and the soft things on the top.
Thank you. You really come here every week.
I do, and today I'm looking for something special.
What is it?
I'm going to make jam at home tonight.
Jam? So you want strawberries?
Maybe. You'll see. Come on, let us start.
Good morning. Would you like to look at the strawberries?
Good morning. They are very red, almost too red.
They are from my farm. It is about 1 hour from here.
The boxes are open. At the supermarket, they're in plastic boxes.
Yes, here you can smell them.
Oh, I can smell them from here. That is amazing.
That is a good sign.
At the supermarket, I can only look. I cannot open the box.
Here it is different. We want you to taste first.
Really? I can taste one?
Please, ask me. It is easy.
Excuse me, can I try a sample?
Of course. I am Grace. Take one from this plate.
Thank you. Wow, that is so sweet.
Good, right?
It is very different from the supermarket. Why is it so sweet?
Because I picked these at 5 o'clock this morning. They were ready.
5 in the morning? It was still dark.
It was. I use a light on my head. I pick them when they are red all over.
The supermarket ones have a white top sometimes.
Yes, that is because they are picked early, when they are still hard.
Why do they do that?
A soft strawberry cannot travel. If I put these on a truck for 2 days, they will be juice.
Strawberry juice in a box.
So they pick them hard, and the fruit turns red on the road. It looks nice, but it is not sweet inside.
I understand now. A short trip means more sugar.
That is a good way to say it.
I want 1 box, please.
$5.
Here you are, 5 in small money.
Perfect. Eat them today or tomorrow. Do not wait a week.
I will eat them today. Thank you very much.
Enjoy the market.
Ellie, over here. Bread. I can smell it.
Oh no, look at the table.
It is empty.
Almost. There is one long loaf at the end. That is all.
There is a sign. Sold out. See you next week.
Every week. Every single week.
But it is only 9:30. The market opened at 8.
I know. That is normal here.
In a supermarket, bread is there all day.
A supermarket makes hundreds. This man makes maybe 40 loaves in his home oven alone. When they are gone, they are gone.
40? That is all?
That is all. Some people come at 7:45 and wait in line for it.
Before it opens? For bread?
For that bread, yes. I tried it once. There were 8 people in front of me.
I did not know that. I thought bread was always easy to buy.
Not this bread. He starts at 2 in the morning and he stops when the oven is empty.
Huh. So what is your mistake?
My mistake is always the same. I walk in, I see the strawberries, I stop, I talk, then I come here and the bread is gone.
Today it was my fault too. I ate a sample and bought a box.
Ha! Now you are one of us.
So the people who come every week have an order.
They do. Bread first, then vegetables, then fruit. Fruit does not sell out. Bread does.
Next week, bread first.
Next week, bread first. Say it again.
Bread first.
Good. Come early and come with a plan.
Can we buy this last one?
You can, but look at it. It is the small, ugly one at the end.
It is still bread. I will take it.
Okay, $2. That is a good price for the last one.
$2. I have 2 $1 bills. I am learning.
Good morning. Would you like to taste some honey?
Yes, please. I come here every week and I always look at these 2 bottles.
The spring honey and the fall honey. Both are from my bees.
The same bees?
The same bees, the same boxes, the same field.
Then why is this one light and this one dark?
Because of the flowers. In spring, the bees go to new flowers. Light color, light taste.
And in the fall?
New flowers grow in the fall. The honey gets dark and strong.
So the bottle tells me when the bees worked?
Yes, that is why I write spring and fall on the front.
Which one is sweeter?
People always ask me that. They are both sweet. It is not about sugar. It is about the season.
Okay, Can I taste both?
Here, 2 little wooden spoons. Start with the light one.
That is soft. It tastes like flowers.
Now the dark one. Wait a second between them.
Oh, that one is completely different. Stronger, a little like brown sugar.
Many people say that.
Can I taste the light one again?
Here is a clean spoon. Never put the same spoon back in the jar.
Sorry. Yes, I can hear the difference now. I mean, I can taste it.
Same bees, 2 seasons. It's like 2 different foods.
I like the dark one.
Good choice. Put it in hot key in winter or on bread.
On bread, yes. My friend just bought the last loaf.
He was lucky today. Do you want the small jar or the big one?
The small one, please. My bag is getting heavy.
$6.
Here you are.
Thank you. Keep it in your kitchen, not in the fridge.
Not in the fridge. Why not?
It gets hard and thick. Just leave it on the table.
Good to know. Thank you. See you next week.
Excuse me, can I ask about these tomatoes?
Of course, I am Rosa.
This box is $6 and this box is $3, but they look like the same tomatoes.
Look again. This side is round and shiny. That side is not.
You are right. This one has a line on it, and this one is a strange shape.
Yes, those are the ugly ones.
Are they old? Is that why they are cheap?
No, they are not old. I picked all of them yesterday from the same field on the same day.
The same day? Really?
Really, we call these seconds. Seconds are not pretty on the outside, but inside they are exactly the same.
Seconds? Like minutes and seconds?
No, not time. Second means the second box, the one that is not perfect.
I see. I have never heard that word.
Every farmer has them. 2 or 3 tomatoes in 10 have a small crack or a funny shape or a mark.
But they are still good?
Yes, big stores do not want them, so we sell them here as seconds at half price.
Half price and the same taste?
Here, take this pretty one and this ugly one. Try them.
Okay. They taste the same. Exactly the same.
The skin is different. The taste is not. When you cut it up, it does not matter how it looks.
Who buys them?
People who cook. Sauce, soup, and jam. If you are going to cook it, why pay more for a pretty shape?
Jam? Oh, my friend said she was looking for something for jam tonight.
Then she is looking for my seconds box.
I will tell her, and I will take 1 box too.
$3. Good choice.
Thank you. Now I know a new word.
Use it next week, and everybody will think you come here all the time.
Ellie, I found it. The thing you were looking for.
You found the seconds box.
You knew all morning.
I did. I make jam with seconds every summer. Cheap fruit, same taste.
Rosa let me try 2 tomatoes. I could not tell the difference.
Nobody can. Okay, one more thing before we go. Look around.
The market is quiet now. People are going home.
Look at the signs. What is happening?
That man over there is writing on his sign. He put a line through $5 and now it says 3.
Yes, it is 12:30. The market closes at 1.
So the prices go down at the end.
Almost always. Think about it. He drove here at 5 in the morning. Now he has 10 boxes left.
He has to put them back in the truck.
And drive home and carry them inside. And tomorrow they are not fresh.
So it is better to sell them cheap.
Much better. So the market has 2 good times. The first 30 minutes and the last 30 minutes.
The first one for the best food,
And the last one for the best price. Early or late. The middle is the worst.
But at the end, the good things are gone.
Yes, late is cheap, but you take what is left. Early is expensive, but you choose first.
So I have to decide, money or food.
That is it. Now you understand the market.
And today we came in the middle.
We did, right in the middle.
That explains the bread.
That explains the bread.
Wait, I want one more box of tomatoes.
Another one? You already have one.
They were $3. Now maybe they are 2.
You learn fast.
2 minutes. Wait for me here.
Go, go. I will hold your strawberries.
Let us sit here for a minute. My legs are tired.
Mine too. Okay, let me look at everything.
Put it all on the bench.
1 box of strawberries, 1 small bread, 2 boxes of tomatoes.
And my honey, the dark one.
We bought a lot.
Everybody does. It is the market. Everything looks fresh and you think, it is only today.
That is exactly what I thought, every time.
And then you walk to the bus and your arms hurt.
My arms already hurt. Look at my hand.
Oh, the bag left a red line.
Right across my fingers.
I know that line very well.
How do you carry all of this every week?
Look, my backpack.
So that is why you have it.
I bought it after my 3rd visit. The first 2 times I walked home like you.
Next time, a backpack.
Or a small cart. Some people bring one with wheels.
Okay, next Saturday, here's my plan. Bread first.
Good.
Then vegetables. And I'll buy seconds for jam because the ugly ones cost less and taste the same.
You learned it in 1 morning.
And small money. 1s and 5s, not a 20.
Now you sound like a regular.
One more question. Can I make jam with you tonight?
You want to cook?
I have 2 boxes of tomatoes. I do not know what to do with them.
Come at 6. We'll make tomato jam.
Tomato jam. I thought so after I met Rosa.
It's sweet and a little salty. You'll like it.
Then I'll bring the tomatoes and the bread. And the strawberries?
Keep the strawberries. Eat them today. Remember what Grace said.
Eat them today. I remember. Thank you, Ellie. This was a great morning.
See you next Saturday. Bread first.
Bread first.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What do farmers call vegetables that are not pretty but taste the same? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.